In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Add to Cart button color in Shopify. We're going to walk through this step by step, directly inside your Shopify admin, so you can quickly match that button to your brand colors and make it stand out more on your product page. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Look for the section labeled Online Store and click on it. This will open your themes page. At the very top of the themes list, you'll see your current live theme. On that theme, click the option to edit the theme. This will open the theme editor, where you can visually customize your store. Once you're inside the theme editor, look towards the top of the screen for the page selector. By default, this is usually set to the home page. Click on that dropdown, then navigate to the product section and choose the option called Default Product. This switches the preview on the right so that you're looking at a product page, which is where the Add to Cart button appears. Now that you're on the product page view, move your attention to the left-hand panel. Here you'll see different sections that make up your product template. Look for the section that controls your product information, often labeled something like Product Information or Product. Click on that to open its settings. Inside this section, scroll all the way down until you see an option called Custom CSS or something similar. Click on it to reveal a text box where you can add your own CSS code. This is where we'll control the color of the Add to Cart button. In that text box, paste the same code you've prepared or copied from the tutorial. You can pause the video at this point if you need more time to type or paste the code. Inside that code, look for the part that says background color and notice there's a hex code next to it. That hex code controls the background color of your Add to Cart button. You'll also see color, which controls the text color on the button. Next, open a new browser tab and go to Google. Search for Hex Color Picker. Use any color picker you like, choose the exact color you want, and then copy the hex code it gives you. It will start with a hash symbol followed by six characters. Go back to your Shopify theme editor and replace the existing hex code after background color with the new one you just copied. If you also want to change the button text color, you can do the same for the color property. Now look at the live preview on the right side of the screen. You should immediately see your Add to Cart button update to the new color. If it doesn't, double check that you copied the hex code correctly and that there are no extra spaces or missing characters. Once you are happy with how the button looks, go to the top right corner of the theme editor and click Save. This will publish your changes to your online store. And that's it. You've successfully changed the Add to Cart button color in your Shopify theme using a bit of custom CSS and a hex color picker.